What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to take a look at Ethereum and take a look at the short-term and long-term charts for Ethereum. If that sounds good to you, make sure you smack the subscribe button down below. Now let's jump right on in to the video. As we jump right on in to the shorter time frame chart for Ethereum, as you guys can see, we're kind of just wedging in between this symmetrical triangle. This is on the 4-hour chart, so it's a little bit shorter time frame than I like to look out for. Than usual. I like to look at the daily usually, and this is the 4-hour chart. As you can see, we're kind of just sandwiched in between this top resistance line and this below support line. This actually symmetrical triangle actually is willing to break out towards the end of tomorrow. So look at a breakout from this symmetrical triangle within the next 24 hours. Now I do want to say this is kind of a little tricky symmetrical triangle. Because this thing could, this kind of descending resistance could be coming down here a little bit. Depending on this, if this little drop off comes lower, it could be playing out something where it bounces around a little bit farther. But until we get a confirmation, we did get a nice bounce here. So this could just be coming just like this, and we could be seeing a result from the symmetrical triangle by the end of the day tomorrow, guys. But be careful, because this might drop a little bit lower, and this might turn in a little bit longer time frame symmetrical triangle, maybe something like this, if this does come out lower and we do bounce around a little bit. So be careful of that scenario. We have a bullish and a bearish scenario. We could drop down from that if we continue to break down, but I see if we do continue to pump up in this shorter symmetrical triangle, I do see us continuing the trend, because this usually is a continuation pattern, and we usually continue on where the pattern is coming from. So if we continue to get a bounce up, I see it just breaking this and continuing higher. Now let's jump on to the second chart I want to look at today, and that is just the kind of resistance lines that we have coming up. As you guys can see, we did actually get resistance on this resistance line that we talked about in our last video at about the $3.85 mark. We did actually break through it though. If we zoom in here, we did actually break through it, and now we are pumping up over that. So our next resistance line for Ethereum could be about at this $4.21 mark, which has big kind of support back here, resistance back here, and support here. So you have a lot of confluence in that area. That is the next area that I'm looking at for resistance for Ethereum. After that, we have about the 485 mark, which is resistance back here, resistance back here. So that was big resistance in the old bull and bear markets, and also up here at $5.95. Once we get past that, we'll start talking about only the two remaining resistance after that. But first, we have to break through those next resistances. I see what happening here is us actually coming up, testing this $421, and then coming back down to retest this as support, which I like to see, because this has been a huge parabolic move. We need a little bit of a cool down. I see us maybe hockey pucking in between these two resistances, turning this one as support, and then maybe making a symmetrical triangle here, and then continuing up higher, guys. So be looking for that in the shorter term time frame for Ethereum. And the third thing I want to look at today is just the fractal that we've been talking about for Ethereum. This is the old Ethereum bull market, or bear market into bull market. As you can see, it's playing out exactly like I talked about in my last Ethereum video. As you can see here, guys, we have this capitulation event, the first strike, little kind of sideways action, and then a pump. Look, as you can see here, guys, look, we're getting that pump. Just be careful, because on these pumps we could get little pullbacks, as you see here, as you see here, as you see here. But we are playing exactly like the chart did all the way back in the old Ethereum bull market back here, guys. So just be wary that this fractal is playing out. For all you guys that don't like fractals, I'm just gonna say, this chart doesn't lie. I don't lie. So hope you guys like this fractal here. If you guys enjoyed like today's quick video, make sure you smack that subscribe button down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you get outside. Don't stare at the charts all day. It's not going to change the price on you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.